of our holiday album, and it's a song called Himakana Kukubai. In English, that translates to a gift of the heart, and that's the title of our holiday album. The song was composed by Uncle Louis Moon Kawakami, one of the members of the Makaha Sons of Niihau. And Uncle Moon, he's a wonderful, wonderful man. If you know him personally, you'll know that he's one of the most generous men around. We went to him and we ran into him when we were gathering songs for this collection of Christmas mele, and we asked him, oh, Uncle, or is there like an old Hawaiian song, you know, that maybe you could share or teach us that we can kind of bring back to the forefront for Christmas time? And he said, you know what? I got one that I want to give to you guys. It's actually one that I composed. And we were like, what? Oh my gosh, you know, what an honor to do a song by Uncle Moon. And he went on to explain this song, and it's actually a song that's inspired by the Christmas story, A Christmas Rose. Does anybody know that story? I did not know. I'm pretty good at my Christmas folklore, but I did not know of this story. Does anybody know this story, A Christmas Rose? Well, Christmas Rose, it talks about a young girl. And she was an orphan, and way back in the day, she was waiting out in the cold outside of a church where a Christmas service was occurring. She felt very badly because she had nothing to offer on the altar. So she picked up these little flowers that she saw blooming at her feet under the tree that she was waiting under. And she decided to muster up the courage to walk into church. The pastor encouraged her and assured her that all were welcome at this place. And as she walked down the aisle to give her offering, the other churchgoers kind of started whispering about this young girl in the tattered clothes with nothing in her hands to offer but a little bunch of flowers. As she got to the altar, she bowed her head to pray, and she began to cry as she apologized for having nothing more to give. And gasps started to be heard behind her as the church erupted in just explosions of blooming flowers everywhere. These flowers that bloom in the cold of winter became known as the Christmas Rose, and this is what inspired Uncle Moon to write a poem. From this poem, he wrote Himakanaka Pu'uwai, and the lesson of the story, the poem, and the song is that sometimes we get a little bit wrapped up. I know you guys are probably here. I'm so thrilled. I just finished my Christmas shopping yesterday. Well, you guys are probably here because you're finishing up your Christmas shopping too. But this is a reminder for us, and an important one, that always the most important and most meaningful gifts will be those that are given from the heart.
You guys notice I don't have an iPad like they do. But you know, if you like get me that for Christmas and that comes from the heart, it's all good.
He just
Song entitled A Gift of the Heart.
forgot his iPad at home.
And he's looking right at the store.
We want to send this song out to Auntie Wanda Serto on the mainland. She's recovering from some painful surgery. Sending this out to her today.
어